Guys, this is how you make money. It doesn't matter for me whether you're going to buy from me or you buy anywhere else. As long as you're going to get money, as long as you're going to make profit, okay? Gold today, it's at the highest prices. It was never before. It's almost $23.40. As long as they don't overcharge you. And gold price, you need to pay between 5 to 10% over spot, you're good, okay? Silver, same thing. It all depends in which form, whether it's going to be in a bar, whether it's going to be in a coin, or even scrap gold or jewelry, because jewelry is better, you can wear it. If you want to come buy from me, I sell jewelry, I manufacture jewelry. We have here chains. We have a lot of chains all over, showcases, that's what we sell. We manufacture them. Choose any style you like. This chain, this is 20-inch. It weighs 7 grams to be exact. In today's price, I'll sell it to you for exactly $420, okay? 14 karat, $420. You can sell it even for $850, okay? You can own more than double your money. Put it in Facebook Market. Put it in OfferUp. Put it in any platform that you know and trust. Don't get scammed. Don't, God forbid, don't, do a shady business in somewhere dark and shady. Do the business in a nice place. Go to even in the lobby of a bank. It's okay. Everything is good. As long as you know what you're selling, you know what you're getting, gold and silver is the way to make money. I guarantee, guys. Again, whether you buy from me or even if you buy anywhere else. Obviously, I'd rather you're going to buy from me because I'm going to make some. But the most important thing for us is for you guys to make a profit, okay? We do wholesale, only manufacturing. We sell to other stores, other dealers. We supply. Nowadays, gold is sky high. Prices is crazy. Gold, silver, sky high. Was never before. Never like these prices ever. But it will continue to climb. That's what the prediction says. I'm going to teach you today how to make money, such as this bracelet right here, which we have maybe 500 units of them, 500 pieces. If you will buy from me one bracelet, which weigh around 3 grams, a little bit less than 3 grams, of 14 karat plum, everything manufactured either here in the United States or either in Italy. You can buy from me for $150 for the total bracelet. Okay, solid. This is not hollow. This is not hollow. This is solid. And you're going to post it, whether in OfferUp, something like this, trending for around $350 plus. You can buy from me for $150. Go ahead and sell it for $350. That's a $200 profit right there. Guess what? You buy one piece, you're starting to get a little bit good appetite. You come, you buy a few. I'll give you even a better deal. You post it, Facebook Market, OfferUp. There's a million different websites nowadays. You can put in eBay, you can put in Etsy. Guys, you can make money. You can make hundreds and then thousands and then tens of thousands of dollars every day just by buying gold, okay? Selling everything, not only to wear. When you sell it, you make the profit and then you flip. You start with a $150 piece, then you go up to a few hundred, 5, 1,000, 2,000. As more money as you spend, that means more money that you're going to make. You see all this gold? Gold, jewelry, diamonds, everything we bought today, okay? Cuban, plain, bust downs, everything we buy today, we pay cash. Cash right here in the spot. Anything you want, we buy. We buy gold, diamonds, watches. Give the highest payout in Miami guarantees over here, BALILI Brothers Jewelry, okay? So remember, fuck the rest, come to the best. BALILI Brothers. Hola muchachos, ¿cómo estás? Buen día. Hoy nosotros hacer una promoción, ¿ok? Nosotros queremos hacer promoción por compra oro y compra diamantes. Entonces, vamos a ver. Todo eso yo lo compré hoy, ¿ok? Yo lo compré hoy. Yo pago en efectivo, ¿ok? Pago en efectivo y el mejor precio siempre. No importante que tú tienes. Es un quilate, es en 10 puntos. Es un gramo o un kilo. Nosotros quiero comprar tu oro y tus diamantes también. Claro que relojes, siempre, relojes, oro y diamantes. Nosotros pago el mejor precio siempre. Entonces, fuck the rest, come to the best. BALILI Joyerías.